Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with a tiny little quick video. It's a little product review because I got sent some stuff, so I want to share it with you guys. All the important stuff up front. This is a little haul that I got from Globleland. They reached out to me to see if I would review their product and try it out. So in exchange for the product, they're getting my honest review. And they let me pick out the stuff I wanted, and I don't remember what it was because ADHD brains, but I thought I would take a break from crafting because it came in the mail, and we would open it up together and remember what I picked out and see what this stuff looks like. I remember specifically that I got a bunch of cutting dies. So yeah, let's crack it open. I will put the link for their website in the comments below, plus a link to all the stuff that I got in this little box. They gave it to me in an email, so I don't have to remember or look for it, which is cool. And they also gave me a little promo code that you guys can use, which will also be in the description box if you're interested. This is well packaged, which is nice. I like the cardboard, so it means that the dies don't get all bent in the mail. This came from overseas. It came from China, and the shipping was pretty fast, all things considered. I think it maybe like a week, which is not bad at all. I don't normally get mail in Texas that fast, so like, you know, that worked out really well. And they were really nice, so like, yeah, I figured why not. That's a spoiler. Well, let's see what we got. Okay. So first up are these hinges. I remember now. I did get some hinges. I thought these would be pretty cool. I have an idea for what to use them for already that I will share in a video coming up. And then we got, we got some of these like nesting dies. Is there a picture of them? No. But they make a bunch of different shapes, but they're like, I think there's circles, ovals, and squares. Or rectangles, or maybe squares and rectangles. I'm having a hard time seeing it through the package. But they're like wavy, and I thought that would be cool for like creepy stuff. This is just a really nice set overall. But they look nice. They're really well packaged. Like this is really nice packaging. And then, okay, I remember. This is a it's like an interactive, like moving die that I got. Got a couple components, but real quick, and I will do a video on this one for sure, but you cut out like a picture and another picture, and then you can slide it around and it'll like flip and it'll be the other picture in there, and that's a cool thing. And I'm glad that it came with some directions. So it basically says to use this stuff in this order to get this. Logical. Reasonable. Hopefully I can figure it out when we're doing it together. But I'm excited for this. I saw that it was like a moving element and was like, I gotta get that one. And then the last one, I believe, yes, this is like a little, it's not a film strip, this is a film strip, which is just a cool piece to have. This is like, what are they called? It's those old like retro toys where like you put like a little disc of pictures in, and then you click on it, and then it like spins around, and you can see the pictures inside when you put it up to your face. Like a little viewfinder? Is that what it's called? But this is like half that reel, and then it turns it, like you can make it into like a pocket. That's what I saw on the website. And then it has these little tiny tags and little tiny tinier tags, little cards that fit inside of here, so you can like pull them all out if you glue down these sides and stuff. It looks really cool. I saw the picture for like the final product and was like, well, that's nifty. That's neat. I can think of a bunch of ways to use that, so I will. But yeah, they look like really nice dies. They sound like dies. They're heavy like dies. Maybe I will cut something out really quick and then we'll see if they cut. Hold on. Okay, I hauled my big kick up here. It's so heavy. I got a little scrap piece of paper here from the book that I am currently working on. And I've got these little, like, hinge and keyholes, which are pretty nifty. I'm really excited for these. I have an idea. And usually you can just break these apart. But if you can't, You can also get like a little cutting pair of pliers and break them apart that way. And these ones I'm just going to leave attached. There's no reason to break all of these apart really quick. We just want to see if they cut. And we want to see if they cut without wasting this cool paper. Let's see. What else will fit here? Could also stick these down with some washi tape and like secure everything, but I am not going to. There, I think that'll work. Ooh, here's a tiny piece. Alright. Would help if I put the plate underneath it, yeah? Okay, here we go. This is why I don't do this on camera. Trust, I will cut all the pieces out when I do my little tutorials for you guys. But here we go. Let's see how they cut. It's like hanging off the edge of the plate. Why do you not do things correctly? Okay, so what I'm going to do, just turn this around and then just try to cut that back half. And if it's all messed up, that's my fault for not getting the washi tape out and securing it. I can tell I moved this one, but that's okay. These ones will be fine. But it looks like, yeah, they're already releasing really well, so yeah, these are nice little dies. Ooh, this piece is like embossed. Ooh, can you see? That's pretty cool. That left a really cool impression. And then this is like a little piece you can thread something through. I don't really know what this piece is, but it looks like you can thread a little thing through and then maybe make it into like a little tie or something. I gotta look. I gotta look at the pictures again and maybe reassess the situation. But this is a really nice little hinge. And then this one. Where's my pokey? I couldn't find it, but we're gonna use a pen. There we go. Ooh, so this one has like a little stitching around it. That's pretty neat. And then we have a key, which like you can never have too many keys, so that's neat. Let's see, how bad were these ones? Oh, no, I think only that circle one's gonna be crazy. Honestly, weeding die cuts is my least favorite thing, but it's okay, because it's totally worth it. So you got another nice little key. And then another pretty cool hinge. That's really nice. That would be fun, like on a book cover, to have little faux hinges there. And then this one, oh, this one didn't come out too bad. We're missing a little teeny tiny bit off the top, but there's another one that gets laced. So yeah, they work really well. I'm happy with them. I'm happy to like get in there and experiment and play with them and make some of those videos for you guys to see. Their prices look really well, and like I said, the shipping was pretty fast, so as far as first impressions go, they made a really good first impression, and I'm excited to see like what comes of everything all together and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm happy that they asked me to collaborate with them and review this stuff. But that's gonna be it for me, guys. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate your faces, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, happy crafting. Bye!